Here's a look at radar for you because we have some more showers and thunderstorms over Kerrville right now in Kerr County. But look at the motion that's moving to the northwest or the north at around 15 to 25 miles an hour. So we've got the rain already in southwestern Gillespie County drifting up towards I-10, and we'll continue to see the rain, not I-10, it's continuing to lift towards 290 and will continue up towards Harper. We see rain around the Comfort area. This is along 87 that's headed into the Fredericksburg area in about an hour or so. There may be a flash flood warning put out for this later in its lifetime, and so we'll be watching this for you as we get into the rest of the afternoon. Flood watch in effect for Williamson and Travis counties westward into the hill country for an additional, I don't think we're going to see 2 to 5 inches, but we may find a few more 1 inch plus rain totals as we get further into the afternoon. And the flood threat again is a level 3 out of 4 from Del Rio up through most of the Edwards Plateau, and it does clip far southwestern Gillespie County. Most of the rest of our area is at a level 2 for a slight flood threat. So here comes the rain. Now, it did not initialize too well for the storms in Gillespie County, but it does as the system moves further to the north over Llano and into Burnett counties. And then we see another round coming up I-35 between about 3 and 6 o'clock. Again, there'll be the potential for those downpours that we saw frequently in the last week plus, and then the system starts to weaken and we are dry overnight. We'll have a little more rain tomorrow. We'll wind up with some 1 inch plus rain totals, I'm sure, but on the whole, most of us will get, in areas that do get rain, about a ½ an inch to an inch, and again, there'll be a few isolated numbers that will be a little bit higher than that. This is a system that bears watching for something that could happen in the Gulf later on. Right now, it's just area of low pressure that is off the east coast of Florida, but it's going to move to the west, maybe the west-northwest, and there is a 30% chance of tropical development for this in the next 7 days as the system moves across the first the northeastern Gulf, then into the northern Gulf. And if it makes it into the northwestern Gulf, then we may have more rain for our area late in the week, next weekend. But for now, they're predicting that this thing may go further into Louisiana as opposed to Texas. But we have our eyes on this for you. All right, we've got a 40% chance of additional showers and storms today with a high of 93. 20% or 30% this evening, then 20% tomorrow. Will be dry Wednesday, Thursday. 93 for the high today, 94 tomorrow. Will be in the mid-90s on Wednesday, Thursday. A minimal chance of rain Friday. And for now, we'll keep the forecast dry on Saturday and Sunday.